Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Take a look at this great truck find. This is a pre-owned 2025 Chevy Colorado Trail Boss Crew Cab. What a beautiful truck. Only 20,000 kilometers on the odometer. This is a one owner truck, no accident history. It is in fantastic condition. It has the advanced technology package, the convenience package, and because it's a Trail Boss, it has a ton of cool features, which we are going to show you today as we walk around the exterior and interior of this Colorado, so you can have a great look at it right from the comfort of your own home. Now, underneath this hood, we have a 2.7 liter inline 4-cylinder Turbo Max engine that is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can tow 7,700 pounds with this Colorado. So if you've got some toys that you want to bring up to the cottage or the job site or whatever the case is, this Colorado will definitely be able to do the job for you. Now, I mean, just look at this. This does not look like a regular Colorado. That Trail Boss package is incredible. Starting off with these fantastic looking 20-inch black alloy wheels. We have the Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires on there as well. Behind that, we have off-road suspension. We've also got a 2-inch factory lift, and this Colorado Trail Boss is 2 inches wider on the chassis than a regular Colorado. Now, wait till you see the off-road modes that we have inside, where you can even air down the tires. So if you are crawling through the real thick of it with the rocks and the mud, that is a really, really fun thing to do, by the way. But yeah, you can lower down the air pressure in those tires to give them a little bit wider and help you crawl through. We'll show you that when we get the inside, but let's continue our tour on the exterior. We've got these great trailering mirrors. Love how they're extra long, so that way you can see the full trailer out the back. Colorado on the door, side steps to help the little ones get into the back. It is the full crew cab, as you can see. Coming around to the rear, we have the Trail Boss badge on the back. Great looking taillights, Chevy stamped right across the tailgate. And then we've got rear sonar, your tow hitch receiver. It's already wired up. There is an integrated trailer brake controller as well inside, so you don't need to buy that. We have the dampened tailgate, and we also have this very cool storage box in the back of the tailgate. They really are getting creative with different ways to, kind of maneuver the tailgate and options for it. So I love this. This closes back up like so, and then you can lock it up right here with those little locks. Factory applied spray on bed liner, Chevy bow tie in the back, as you can see. Really nice, super clean truck bed. Now around to the passenger side, so you can see all 4 corners of this beautiful truck. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle. That means you get a 150-point inspection, 3 months or 5,000 kilometers of limited comprehensive warranty, 3 months of satellite radio on us, and a 30-day or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege. Although, why would you want to do that? This is so beautiful. Look at the nice looking headlights up front, the black Chevy bow tie. It's got a mean stance to it. And then we have the Trail Boss badge right there in the front grille. You can just see, looking down the side, that extra wide chassis. Now let's go take a look on the inside. With the purchase of this Colorado, you're gonna get 4 free oil changes from us here at OMS, just as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us. Although I wonder if you should be thanking us. Look at how gorgeous this truck is. Beautiful black leather interior. Absolutely perfect inside, non-smoking vehicle. We have floor liners down below. And then little details, right? It's all in the little details. The carbon fiber look trim on the door panels. Let's check out the front seats. So up front, same great seats, obviously heated seats up front. We have a power driver's seat, and then we have the cool carbon fiber look door sill plates. Floor liners are there, yet still same carbon fiber look on this door panel and the other one. Let's hop in here and have a look at this interior. Isn't this nice? So I love the red vents. I think that's so sharp. You have the Trail Boss badge there. And then all like the belay aluminum red trim around the dials. The 2-speed transfer case, 4-wheel drive. Auto locking rear differential too. I forgot to mention that. It's basically got the full off-roading package on it with part of that Trail Boss package. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel. You can see the heated steering wheel button there. Controls for the audio system, your cruise control over here. We have fully digital driver's gauges. Check out the odometer, 20,627 kilometers. I love the look of these gauges too. They look absolutely fantastic. And then again, just the detail on the truck is it's so pretty. Here is our integrated trailer brake controller. You can see it down there, so you can adjust your gain. So trailering is nice and simple. You don't have to buy that accessory. Now, the infotainment system on this is incredible. This is the latest and greatest. It's very, very, very powerful. What we have here is basically a system powered by Google. So when we slide over here, you can see you have the Google Assistant there. We also have Google Maps, so you can talk to it just like the Google Home you have in your house. When you have the subscription with OnStar, with XM satellite radio and everything else, this whole thing is connected and it is fantastic. You can see here the Google Maps, right? And then when we hit the home screen again, Google Assistant's there. Now here is the air down mode. So here you can adjust your tire pressure accordingly, so that way when you are crawling through the thick of it, so to speak, those tires a little bit wider, a lot more grip, and then it'll pull you out of whatever it is you're having fun in, because you're not there by accident. You are definitely trying to have some fun. Here's the off-road pages. So we have the Baja, terrain, and overlanding gauges basically. You can see it automatically will throw the camera up for you. So that way, if you need that, we've got the terrain select, and then we've got the overlanding. So it gives you all your different gauges if you are having some fun with your Colorado, which, you know what, you should. I mean, XM satellite radio, Google News, Apple Music, Alexa, all the really good ways to enjoy all of your audio. And then we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. The trailering app is here. Trailer brakes, trailer light check, a checklist. So if you don't tow very often, that checklist is super helpful. Essentially, it's going to walk you through the things that you need to do before you go and tow, so that way you don't leave the house with your trailer connected to the garage outlet or something like I did. That was an expensive repair. And then you can do your trailer light check right from here as well, which is very convenient. Throwing this in reverse, you can see we've got the different camera modes. So that's your regular one. This is your trailer one. And then when you want to hook up your hitch, you have this very convenient view as well. So it's independent towing, which I like. No need to rely on anybody else. You can just do it all yourself. Dual zone climate control, heated seats as well. We've got this great wireless charging pad down here with the urban camo look to it, plus some USB ports. And then our 2-wheel drive 4x4 electronic parking brake. And then even down here in the cup holders, you have that urban camo look, which is really neat. Left the keys in here to show you there's a remote starter. There's that carbon fiber look as well on the gear shifter, and our push button start. Now, before you run away, the last thing I want to show you here is our file for this Colorado. So here we have the vehicle build sheet. It's going to show you all of the information and all of the options on this. You can go through this and take a look, but it is page after page after page of amazing, amazing options. Here is our 4 free oil change offer. And then we've got the Carfax here. 1 owner, no accidents. That is exactly what you want to see. And what we want to see now is who is going to pick up this incredible Colorado Trail Boss. You can reserve this online on our website with a click of a few buttons, or come down here to OMS and take this out for a drive. It's going to turn some heads. You're going to absolutely love this truck. I mean, it's just one of those things. When you see it in person and you drive it, you'll know exactly what we're talking about. So come check it out here at Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see who gets in the driver's seat.